Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Yes. Children, today you are going to see the lesson Robots Don't Lie. Okay. Can you tell me what are robots? Yes. Robots are nothing but it is a machine, okay, it is which is programmed to perform various tasks, different tasks or function, okay. Before moving to the lesson, I will tell you what is the lesson, okay, I will tell you the gist of the lesson. Actually, Manku is the robot's name, okay. Here Manku robot is helping the hero Ajay here, okay. Who is the name of the, what is the name of the boy? Ajay, okay. And actually Ajay is misusing the machine robot, okay. He did not do the homework and he is asking the Manku robot to tell the lie to his father, okay, because he did not do the homework, but he is telling lie that he finished his homework and he is asking help from Manku robot, okay. Shall we move to the lesson children? Yes. What is the name of the lesson? Robots Don't Lie. Class 5. English Prose. Yes. See here. What relationship does Ajay share with this Manku robot? What is the name of the robot? Manku. Read this interesting story to find out. Ajay had a robot in the house, but he was facing some problems. Okay, he was using Manku robot in his house, but he was facing some problems. Shall we see what are the problems he is facing now? Ajay, oh, just stop it, Manku. You don't have to take part in every conversation. Manku, correction, you're an error. You are misinforming your father. Your homework has not been done. Error. What happened? Actually, Ajay did not do his homework, but he is telling his father to telling lie that he did his homework and he is asking the robot's help to say the lie. But what actually robots, what it will do? It will not say lie. Whatever we function, whatever we give command, according to the program only it will act. Okay. So what it is telling? Error. You are telling, you are giving wrong information. Okay. You are an error. You are an error means you are wrong, okay. You are an error means you are wrong. You are misinforming. What do you mean by misinforming? Giving wrong information, okay. Giving wrong information, that is called misinformation, okay. So it is telling that correction, please correct yourself, correction, you are an error, you are misinforming your father, your homework has not been done. Error means wrong, something wrong in the thing, okay. You are telling lie, like that the robot is telling, okay. Ajay was exasperated. What do you mean by exasperated? Exasperated is nothing but annoyed, okay. Annoyed means irritated, okay. Ajay was irritated. Children, you understood this? Shall we move to the next one? Manku. Correction. Manku robots are supposed to participate in household activities. They babysit, they answer the telephone, they, like that is continuing. Actually, what Manku is telling, correction, robots, what it will do? It will not do it will do only the household activities, it will not tell the lie. It is not trying to tell a lie, okay. It is supposed to do the household activities, okay. They babysit. What do you mean by babysit, children? Babysit is nothing but taking care of a baby for a short while when parents are away, okay. What do you mean by babysit? Taking care of a baby when the parents are away, okay, for a short period. Understood? So they babysit and they answer the telephone and they, okay, it will do all the such things. And Ajay's father was irritated. Okay, Ajay's father, stop it, both of you, they are arguing. Okay, so what Ajay's father is telling, stop it, both of you. Ajay sat down at his computer. He knew he was in trouble and it was all Manku's fault. Okay. Ajay had a robot in the house, but he was facing some problems. Ajay's father, Ajay, you haven't even begun your maths project. No more excuses. Please get down, do it. What Ajay's father is telling. Still you did not touch your homework. You didn't start your maths project. You have so many works to do. Take your maths project. You have to do. Start your work. Like that Ajay's father is telling. Ajay, right away dad. Ajay settled down to work. Ajay's father went off to his study. After a while, the doorbell rang. When he was telling what happened, the doorbell is ringing. Okay. And what Ajay is thinking, when he was hearing the doorbell, he was thinking that, I bet that's Dinesh. But if I don't do my work now, Manku will tell dad and then I'll be in trouble. What he is telling, I know this is Dinesh. Dinesh is coming to our house. Okay. If I don't do any work now, Manku will complain me to the father. Okay. Ajay, Manku, if the visitor asks for me, tell him I am not at home. What he is telling? He is training Manku that Manku should say a lie. Okay. What he should say? Manku, if the visitor asks for me, tell him that I am not at home. You should tell that I am not at home. Okay. Ajay quickly got up to make sure Manku followed his instructions. Okay. What he is telling, Ajay wanted to follow the instruction of Ajay's that is Manku should follow Ajay's instruction. He wanted like that. Okay. Manku, not here sir, correction, you're here. Ajay, oh my goodness. The doorbell rang again. Ajay's father, Ajay, what's the matter? Why isn't Manku answering the doorbell? Why Manku is not answering the doorbell? Who's asking now? Manku's, that is Ajay's father is asking. Okay, Ajay, oh really? You make me sick, Manku. What do you mean by you make me sick, children? You make me upset. Okay, make me sick. Okay. You make me upset. Okay. Make me sick means you make me upset. Manku, as always, Manku took him literally. Took him literally means, actually he did not mean what he said. Okay. Actually he did not understand what he meant. Understand what he meant. Okay. Actually, he did not understand what he meant. That is called took him literally. What it is telling? As always, Manku took him literally. Manku, sick sir. Shall I call a doctor? You make me sick means actually what he mean. You make me sick means you make me upset. But what Manku had caught the point. Manku thought that, sir, sick. Are you sick? Shall I call a doctor? Like that, Manku is taking that meaning. Ajay, do not call a doctor. Open the front door. Please don't call the doctor. You can open the door. What I am saying, you just do it. Like that, Ajay is telling. Okay. Manku, order received, sir. Command being processed. Order received, sir. Command being processed, sir. Okay. Manku opened the door. Ajay recognized his friend Tariq's voice. It was not Dinesh. Okay. What he was, again they heard the doorbell rang. Okay. That is doorbell sound. And he recognized, Ajay recognized that is not Dinesh. It is Tariq, okay, he recognized Tariq's voice. Ajay, hi Tariq, how nice to see you. I was bored today. Manku, correction sir, you were feeling sick. Okay, what actually Ajay said, I was bored. So what Manku is telling it is telling that, sir, you are not bored sir, you were sick. Like that it is correcting. Tariq looked at Ajay. Tariq, aren't you well Ajay? Like that it is asking. Ajay, no, I am fine. Because he is asking, Manku is asking that, sir, you are sick. So Tariq is asking, Ajay, you are not feeling well. So for that, what Ajay is replying, no, I am fine. Manku, correction sir, you said you were feeling sick. I will call a doctor. You told you are feeling sick. So shall I call a doctor? Like that Manku is correcting. Manku followed the boys to Ajay's room. Now they are going to Ajay's room. Okay. Manku, are you sure you are alright? Are you sure Ajay? Are you alright? Yes, I'm fine. I'm not sick. It's just this robot. It pokes its nose in everything. What do you mean by pokes its nose? It interfere. Why don't you interfere? Why don't you poke your nose? Okay, pokes your nose means interfere. Interfere, okay. And Manku had something to say that too, okay. What is telling? Manku had something to say that too. Manku, correction sir, you are in error. I don't have a nose. Actually robots don't have nose. So what it is understood? It doesn't take the meaning. It did not understand the meaning what Ajay said. Okay. So what it is telling? Sir, I don't have a nose, sir. Ajay, continue with your cleaning. Manku, command received, sir. Okay, I'll follow your command. Ajay, that robot is supposed to help us, not make our lives difficult. I can't even make an excuse to daddy because it butts in. What do you mean by butts in? Interrupting the conversation. When anybody is talking, when you are interrupting, when you are disturbing them, that is called butts in. Okay? If you are disturbing others' conversation, that is called butts in. Interrupting the conversation. Okay? Interrupting the conversation. Okay, that is called butts in. You don't butts in. Who is telling? Ajay is telling the Manku robot because it is often interrupting. No, it is coming interfering others thing. Okay, it is telling that no, you are sick. You should call a doctor. And I don't have a nose. When he says you poke your nose means he is saying that I don't have a nose. So what he is telling? Ajay is telling that you butts in. Don't interrupt the conversation. Okay. After Tariq left, Ajay decided to contact Robotics International. A man's smiling face appeared on the screen. What happened? After he went, he is contacting Robotics International. Okay. Robotics International maker. This is Robotics International, makers of robots for your home. May I help you? Now what happened? Ajay is calling them. Okay. He is calling and asking some doubts about robot. Okay. Ajay, I have a problem with our Manku robot. It tells tales to my father. It lets in visitors I don't want to see. It has no sense. What he is complaining? He is telling that robots don't have sense. And often what he is doing? It is complaining about, it is telling so many stories. Tales means stories. Telling so many stories to my father. The smile on the man's face faded. His face grew stern. Okay, what happened? His face became faded when he was hearing Ajay's thing. Robotics International maker has no sense. Or do you mean he doesn't lie? Manku robots are not programmed to do like that. Like that the Robotics International maker is explaining. Okay. Ajay, yes. Well, like that is continuing. Okay. The man continued to speak firmly. Robotics International Maker. Manku robots cannot be expected to tell lies. We will have to withdraw the Manku robot from your home. What he is telling now finally? Actually, robotics will not say lies. It is not programmed to tell lies. It is made for doing some work for human beings. It does some household activities like taking care of the baby or doing some preparing coffee like that, okay, or cleaning the room. Like that it does, but it doesn't trained to tell lies. Like that is explaining. So, we'll withdraw the robot from your home. Okay. Ajay, what? But why? Ajay was now very alarmed. What were his parents going to say? Now he became troubled. He was upset. What his parents are going to say? Okay. Robotics International Maker, what he is telling now, if you cannot speak truthfully, the Manku robot will one day cause a mishap. As a matter of policy, we withdraw Manku robots from homes which are not right for them. What do you mean by matter of policy? Rules. Okay, we have set of rules. According to our rules, we will not give the robot, okay, for telling lies. So, we will withdraw the robot. Okay. Matter of policy means keeping the rules. Keeping in our rules. Okay. And we withdraw Manku robots from homes which are not right for them. Okay. Ajay, oh no, I didn't mean that. Actually, I did not mean like that. Like that Ajay is telling. Okay. The man's image began to fade. Robotics International Maker, we will arrange for somebody to come to your house and collect our Manku robot today. Your money will be refunded in full. Goodbye. Like that the Robotic International Maker is telling. Okay, we'll withdraw your robot so that and we'll refund your amount, everything. Okay. Ajay stared at the blank screen. He felt very sorry for what he had done. Now only he realized, okay, he felt sorry for that. Ajay, I'll be honest from now on. I'll give clear instructions. Surely if I learn to tell the truth, they will give me another chance. Now what happened finally? He realized we should not say any lie. We should be honest. So he realized that, and hereafter he did not say any lie and he was very honest. Okay. And what he is thinking? I will talk to my father. I am sure if I tell him everything and apologize, he will forgive me. He will be able to persuade them to let us keep Manku. And if I tell everything to my father, what my father does? He follow my instruction and he keep the Manku with us. Like that he is thinking. You understood this lesson, children? Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.